Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to delete a cell in the table view. So real quick, just to make this video quick, I've created a small project here. Let me go ahead and split it and show you what I've done here. So I've got my little view controller here with the table, and I've created an array here. So it's my colors, and I've added 5 elements in this array type string, and I said for numbers of row and section, just return the count, so there's 5 of them. And in here I said create a cell of type UITable cell, and go to that cell, go to the text property, and just put essentially the colors in there. That's pretty, regular stuff, and return my cell. So let's go ahead and run this app and see what it looks like. And it's a pretty simple app with the colors printed in here. And I could scroll just like you would expect, except I can't delete. I can't swipe to delete. So this is what I'm going to teach you in this video. So let's go ahead and stop this. I'll show you how easy it is. All you have to do to be able to swipe to delete is to call up a function. And this function, it doesn't really auto-populate, so you're going to have to type it as is. So it's func table. You kind of have to remember table view. At first, it's hard to remember, but if you use it a couple of times, it's easy. So table view, and then the label here is table view, and it's of UITableView, right? And then we're gonna type in commit editing style, and this is of type UITableView cell and dot editing style, and then we're gonna say for row at, and it's index path, and this is of type index path. Cool, and that's pretty much it. So now if I go ahead and run the app, it should allow me to delete something. There we go. It's as simple as that. Except I don't want to delete anything. In fact, it doesn't even let me delete something. It does the animation, but I can't actually delete anything. Why is that? Well, you have to actually tell it what to do when you press delete. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really simple. You just add a simple if statement. So you type if editing style, and that's what swiping to the left is. We're essentially editing. It's called an editing style. So if editing style equals dot delete, right? For doing that, if we're deleting, that's our editing style. So let's go ahead and do something. So I'm going to go my colors dot remove at index path dot row. So essentially what I'm saying here is, if the editing style is deleting, go ahead and go to the array and delete whatever element corresponds to the index path dot row. And that's essentially it. Well, what we could do here is we could type in table view dot delete delete rows at index path. We're going to leave that at index path, and with dot fade. So you could do that. That's like a little animation that kind of does the animation for the deletion. So let's go ahead and do that here. If we run this app now, I could actually delete, and if I delete, it does like a little fade animation. I'm actually deleting the array. So if I stop this and run this again, it'll actually show me only this, because I've actually deleted the arrays. And that's essentially it. That's the whole video. It's just this function, and you have to implement a simple if statement to tell it what to do when you actually choose to delete. All right, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.